When we watch movies like Animal, when we watch movies like Kabir Singh, full of violence, do you think कि ऐसी films का कुछ ना कुछ असर तो पड़ता ही होगा या is it other way?
We should do films that make people want to lead better lives and have better relationships and have a better view of the world.
You directed Ki and Ka, which is again a great film.
I didn't do it because you were to reverse roles or make some social statement. I thought it was fun. I like Sayara very much.
You liked
I
it?
love Sayara. It's a lovely film.
But I hope कि आप रोए नहीं होंगे उस तरीके से. Hi everyone, my name is Nikita and joining me today is a filmmaker who dares to break taboos, challenges stereotypes and put women on stage. I am talking about none other than R. Balki. Hi sir, कैसे हैं आप?
Pleasure. Very good.
सर मेरा पहला सवाल यही है कि आपके फिल्म्स जब हम देखते हैं बी इट पैडमैन बी इट मिशन मंगल हम उस पर देखते हैं कि विमेन रिप्रेजेंटेशन जो है वो बहुत कमाल का होता है और हर मूवी में हम देखते हैं मोस्टली दिखा है कि विमेन रिप्रेजेंटेशन बहुत बढ़िया है तो ये क्या आपकी कॉन्शियस चॉइस रहती है या ऐसी स्टोरीज आपको खुद अपनी तरफ खींच लेती है?
नहीं हम वही लिखते हैं जो हम हैं. You know, we think about certain any situation in life. It's just not men, women, whatever. You think about the world in a certain way. You think about relationships in a certain way. You think of people in a certain way, and that's what reflects in every writer's personality. जब मैं लिखता हूँ तो मेरा personality आएगा ना और किसका personality आएगा? I'm not manufacturing somebody else. It's not possible. So everybody contributes what they are to a story that they are telling.
बिल्कुल. You directed Ki and Ka, which is again a great film. और अब जो है हम अब के ज़माने में देख रहे हैं कि जेंडर रोल्स की बात बहुत ज़्यादा हो रही है कि why would I do हाउस होल्ड चोर्स, अगर तुम लड़के हो तो तुम्हें भी करना चाहिए. डू यू थिंक अगर अभी के टाइम में की एन का फिर से रिलीज़ होती है, थिएट्रिकल रिलीज़ होता है तो उसका रिस्पॉन्स अलग तरीके से आएगा?
It all depends on how interested people are. People are not going to watch the same thing, I feel. But I just feel today you do it very differently than what happened then. But yeah, I think I didn't do it because you were to reverse roles or make some social statement. I thought it was fun to kind of just make a man a woman a man. It's great fun. It's the same thing.
Yeah, it was so fun to watch as well. My last question would be, बहुत डिबेट होती है सर इस बात पे कि व्हेन वी वॉच मूवीज़ लाइक एनिमल, व्हेन वी वॉच मूवीज़ लाइक कबीर सिंह, गैंग्स ऑफ वासेपुर, लाइक फुल ऑफ वायलेंस ऐसी होती हैं. मैनी पीपल से कि ये सिर्फ एक सोसाइटी का रिप्रेजेंटेशन है, इससे सोसाइटी पे कुछ फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता है, कुछ असर नहीं पड़ता है. बट डू यू थिंक कि ऐसी फिल्म्स का कुछ ना कुछ असर तो पड़ता ही होगा या इज़ इट अदर वे?
No, I think films used to influence life a lot more. I think life influences film a lot more today. I think we should do films that make people want to lead better lives and have better relationships and have a better view of the world. And I think films can take that position again to kind of want people to fall in love in a certain way, paint romantic stories, paint even stories of disappointment and pain, whatever. It's not necessarily violence. Violence sometimes works. That's one way of making cinema. It's not always the only representation of society or only thing that affects society. People are intelligent. People are not going to just immediately adopt. But what happens in films which are more emotional and more kind of romantic and things like that, they make people want to be like that. And I think good cinema is one that leads people, doesn't kind of follow people.
Any recent Bollywood film that you really liked very much?
Any one recent Bollywood? I like Sayara very much.
You liked
I
it?
love Sayara. It's a lovely film.
But I hope कि आप रोए नहीं होंगे उस तरीके से.
No, not Roy. I enjoyed it. I enjoyed both the actors, and I think it's a very nicely crafted film.
बट व्हाट डू यू थिंक कि क्या काम कर गया? बिकॉज सैयारा अगेन अगर हम स्टोरी वाइज बात करें तो कुछ ऐसा नहीं है कि इट वाज समथिंग वेरी न्यू, बिकॉज हमने इस तरीके की स्टोरी ऑलरेडी देखी है.
No, I think it's a interdependence. I think I like the characters, and I think it was today's thing. It was not a very different story, but it was like a very well told story. It was a very well crafted story, and the actors were superb. It was written very well, executed very well, shot very well. Songs were nice. So I feel though it's not the greatest film, but yet the film is so good. Films appeal to people so much. I enjoyed it from start to finish. I enjoyed Sayara.
Last question would be any message for all the young storytellers out there?
Just tell your story. Be original. I don't say I want to be like that and I want to be like that, because we have one life, and let's make our voices heard, not somebody else's voice propagated.
Thank you so much. Thank you for your time.